If you're a developer or technical professional considering Retell AI for your business or clients, this video will cover what you need to know before making a purchase. From integration options to customization capabilities, we'll break down the key points so you can make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Retell AI is designed to be powerful, but developers should know that setup and customization can require some technical knowledge. While the platform offers a no-code drag-and-drop builder for general users, developers looking to fully integrate Retell AI with CRMs, telephony systems, or custom workflows will need to understand APIs, authentication processes, and data handling. This is crucial for ensuring smooth automation and reliable performance. Another important consideration is flexibility. Retell AI supports multilingual voice agents, context-aware conversations, and complex dialogue flows, which gives developers the ability to build advanced use cases. However, more advanced features, like fine-tuning AI responses or integrating with custom back-end systems, can involve additional coding, testing, and monitoring to ensure everything works as expected. Developers should also evaluate the pricing model carefully. Retell AI charges based on usage, including call minutes, AI processing, and telephony. For high-volume applications or enterprise-level integrations, it's important to estimate costs accurately and implement usage controls to avoid unexpected bills. Monitoring analytics and call logs is also recommended to optimize performance and identify potential issues before they impact end users. In summary, developers considering Retell AI should be aware of the platform's technical requirements, integration capabilities, and cost structure. It offers powerful automation, realistic voice interactions, and advanced features, but maximizing its potential often requires planning, coding, and careful monitoring. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews and tips.